creating one-page flyers with multiple columns. So the first thing you'll do in this document is change the margins to narrow. So click Layout, Margins, and choose Narrow, so from normal to narrow. And then the next thing we want to do is eventually we're going to get this all on one page, but we're going to move the picture out of the way first. So select the picture, and from Layout Options, choose With Text Wrapping Square. That way you can move it freely out of the way. I'm just going to put it up here for now. And then put your cursor so that you're before the very first paragraph. And what I'd like to do is change it to 2 columns. So if you were to go into here and choose 2 columns, it's going to affect the title, which I want to keep in 1 column. So when you're at the place that you want it to start the columns, when you choose columns, go to More Columns, and then choose 2. There's your preview. It's doing the entire document, so I'm going to choose where it says Apply To from this point forward. So it'll only apply it to where the cursor is, and the top part will remain in 1 column, which is the full length of the document. So click OK, and there you have it split evenly. Now it doesn't evenly, meaning each side is the same width, but it's not flowing, or it ends at the smoothly, so it's a little bit more on column 1 than column 2. So if you click at the end of column 2 and then choose breaks, when you choose continuous, it'll even it out perfectly. So now it's a lot nicer. So the next thing we'll do is, now that we have the 2 columns and they're pretty even, I'm going to move the picture so that it flows in the middle of the document. And you can make it a little bit larger if you want, and then try and center it. If you get an extra bullet at the bottom, and you don't need it because it actually starts nice with the new side heading on the top. So what you would do is click where that bullet is that's empty. Click Home, and in the paragraph group in the bullets, choose None, so it takes that one away. And if you want to add a page border and page color, you're welcome to, but this is a nicer version of what we originally opened. Thank you.